How to free up disk space in OneDrive.
Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can free up disk space in OneDrive. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your File Explorer. After you're there, here you'll find your OneDrive icon. Right click on the folder, and after you right click on it, there again you'll find OneDrive. You should find it, or if you don't find it, you can simply head over to Show More Options. After you're here, head over to Settings. So tap on Settings and your OneDrive settings will open up. After your OneDrive settings open up, head over to Sync and Backup. It's on the top here. After you're on your Sync and Backup settings, scroll down and there you should find Advanced Settings. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, scroll down again. Now there is a feature called Files on Demand. What this does is your OneDrive does not store your files or folders locally, but it will store it on the cloud. After it's on the cloud, you will have more storage available on your device. So you can tap on Free Up Disk Space, and after you tap on Continue, what will happen is this will save your space on PC, as it says right here, by setting all your files to online only. So it will just send all the files whichever you have backed up using OneDrive to the cloud, and you can only access it when you are connected to the internet, and that will help you save more disk space. And that's basically how you free up disk space. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.